How to find the Buffalo Wild Wings product ingredient guide on the nutrition page. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Buffalo Wild Wings website. Here, scroll down at the bottom and click on Nutrition and Allergen Guide. After you click on Nutrition and Allergen Guide, it will lead you to this page. Here, scroll down and at the bottom, you will find an option, Product Ingredient Guide. Simply click on it. After you click on Product Ingredient Guide, it will directly download, and here you will be able to see all the product ingredients. As you can see, and smash burger, what it includes, and all the menu items and their ingredients. This is how to find the Buffalo Wild Wings product ingredient guide on the nutrition page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.